Yan din yung ano mo, no? That's what you look like too, bro.
Sign the delivery.
How to sign, dude?
What if ayoko?
Oh, okay. How to hold. Hold down, hold down.
What if ayoko mag-sign?
Bye.
Ano gagawin mo? Oh, ayoko yung mga ganyang donuts, yung may sprinkle. Gusto ko yung sugary na white, na na clear. Yeah, clear donut na may sugar.
I don't like sugary white.
Not white, like clear. Clear kasi. Yung glaze kasi. Glaze ba yun? Sorry na, di ko alam. I'll take a burger.
안녕하세요.
I'm the burger! Oh my god, never mind. Ayoko sa'yo. Bra, mukha siyang manyak. Ba't siya gano'n? Tapos yung hair niya may pa-curve spiky sa taas.
It's not Carrie yet, Nadine.
Tapos yung ilong
Oh, let's see. Keep working. And then we'll...
can't quite put my finger. It just feels a bit eerie.
Okay, quite...
Oh, Nadine lang.
Nadine.
No, I'm Leslie. Girl, I'm Leslie.
That's Nadine. Oh,
I'm
okay.
Leslie. I'm beautiful. She's ugly. That's the differences. That's the difference.
Oh my god!
Hi, Nadine. Oh, you're so ugly. Ayoko sa'yo. And the prettiest here, guys. About
So, and you're like, what
make burger.
is that, guys?
Serve the burger.
Hey,
Mabagal
you
yung
took my burger!
ako na. See, binigay ko. Your burger is
Oh, sige, bye.
okay. Looks great. Yes,
Do it,
kapag
Dad.
gawa ko yan, luto ko yan eh.
Get. Sigma.
Leslie is such a hater.
Such a hater.
No, you're my biggest fan. That's
so
why.
True.
I'm too good to be true. Ano daw? I'm like unreal. Oh, no, how dare you shut the door on me?
Like,
How dare you? Ikaw yung shut the door. Sampalin ko yung mukha mo, no? Stop right now. Stop. No, stop. You stop. I can't open it. Ikaw yung shut ko yan. Tingnan yung head shape mo. Siguro nagpa-plastic surgery ka kasi ang pangit-pangit mo pero nag-fail. Yan kasi, that's what you get. Laki-laki ng ilong mo, tapos yung mouth mo pa. Ano yan? Labi na talaga yan? Tingnan mo yung lips mo. My lips is plump.
Oh my gosh, you guys are not even working on the door.
Si Maui, nag-work na tayo. Oh, okay, fine.
Work.
Your body is so ugly. Oh my god, body shamer ka na nga. Ikaw pa eh. Yung posture mo parang granny. Diyos ko, Lord. Okay, ano to man may pusa? Attach the cat safely. Ay! Bakit mo naman
Oh, I have the cat. I have the woofy in my hands.
sa'yo?
Woofy.
Pusa ko yan. Hindi, pusa ko yan.
Go, bye, Poos.
Pusa ko yan. Pinapakain ko
Ay, pusa mo pala yun.
Masyado kang mahirap para magpakain ng pusa. Ano daw? Ikaw ata yung pusa. Ay, syempre, I was in another universe. Nagpusa ako, tapos kinalmot ko yung mukha mo, kaya pangit.
Hello, sir. Welcome.
Mukha kang aso. Ano ba yun? Akala ko ba? Pusa ako. Ngayon, aso. So, magsasarado ako kasi mga pangit kayo. Siguro kayo yung aswang. Tapos, papatayin nyo ko. Ikaw kasi sa mukha. Ano ba? Ano pinagsasabi niyo to? Serve the new Okay, let's go serve the
Hey, buddy. Come on. Oh my god. Is that
Ma'am, sir, I think mali ka po ng foundation sa mukha mo kasi yung mukha mo sobrang light compared to your skin tone. Tapos yung leeg mo parang smog. I advise you to get the right foundation of your face. Judgmental. I feel bad for him. Stop!
Oh my gosh. Okay, fine. You do it then. You do it.
Yes.
You literally interrupted me, bro.
Excuse me, I was doing it first.
Yeah, you were in my face like...
Stop it. Oh, go away. Stop! Mahal! Stop it.
Okay.
Okay, grab 3 donuts.
Ah ha 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 ha.
Grab one more.
Ah ha ha ha. Here's your donuts, sir.
That'll be 5.75 dollars. Nothing like a late snack. Nothing like a late snack. You have a good one. Okay, bye. Your face was disturbing.
Ganda naman ang kotse niya. Vroom, vroom, vroom.
Bakit kaya yan?
Ah.
Tingnan mo, parang nabasag, inapakan siya harap.
This girl really got
Guys, stop! You guys are leaving me. Kakainin ako ng multo. Okay ka pa yan. Ko-oy. Ano ba? Ayoko nga eh. Bakit ano yun? Bro, kalbo yung lalaki. Bakit mo kinakausap yan, Maki?
I wasn't!
You are! Look! Tingnan mo!
I was not!
Ate, may patings ka pa! You have a thing for everyone!
Face, bro!
Oh my god! Maui, I can't believe
Face to face, that's a
I
ghost.
can't
That's a ghost.
believe you have a crush on me. Sino ka? Oh my god! Akala ko aswang. Oh my god, okay ka lang ba? Nakakatakot kasi mukha mo. I think kailangan mo ng mask. Face mask, you know. This is so weird. Oh my god! We aim for smooth sailing here, not navigating through rough waters. We make sure the ship tightens up. Nasa ship tayo? Hindi ko maintindihan.
Oh, pangit there, pangit here, pangit everywhere. Aw.
Pangat ka din.
Oh my gosh, Zoom meeting, guys. Zoom.
Sumirin? Oh my god, I'm scared guys. I do not trust you guys. Hindi ko isa sa inyo, zombie talaga. Tapos hindi nyo lang sinasabi. Tapos, may dumating na emo. Ang haba ng mukha niya. Could you tell me how much a burger?
Bro.
Bro, yung haircut mo. Sir? Ma'am? Are you a sir or a ma'am? I think you need a proper haircut. I think you need a proper haircut kasi yung barber mo or beautician mo or stylist mo.
I see.
Oh,
I don't
what? Must be a prank call. I guess.
Must be a prank. Oh, we're dirty girl, I
Oh my
guess.
God! Ang old na yun. Ang old na nun. I see you. Ay, ano ngayon kung nakikita mo? Hindi naman ako makahubad ngayon. Ano gagawin ko? Nagsasalam naman ako ng donut. Kumuha ka ng donut, ba't ka mahihiya? Ba't ka mahiya?
Oh my gosh, Leslie.
Ba't ka mahiya?
Leslie speaking like a madman. Oh my gosh, that's us, guys.
Oh my God! Is she a twin? A long lost twin.
When,
I thought we were
where have you
triplets.
been? Nobody knows.
Hoy!
I feel
My other mother,
nobody knows.
may long lost twin pala tayo. Ba't hindi sinabi ng mama natin? I'm gonna confront our mommy. Where's our mommy? Mommy, where are you? Mommy. Mommy. Look at me. Mommy!
Leslie, don't you think?
What? Are you so cute right now? Oh my god, this pick me girl.
Come here!
No! Come here! Go away! Go away!
Hey!
Go away! Oh my god, now with the beach, remember? Si talaga yung multo na, double downer. Dopen! Ano daw, dopen? Hindi, ba't ako yung multo? Nakikita niyo ko eh. Common sense day, mindset ba? Mindset. Diyos ko naman.
I'm gonna be.
Hindi mo makakakita ng multo. Tinawag ako ng multo pero nakikita ako. May common sense ba yun, guys? Naiintindihan mo ba? Mama mo, mindset beta. Eh, model ako. Siguro may huwag ka na tumae. Baho-baho ng time.
Girl, you're so close to the screen.
Mamatay. Shut up now. Baka mamatay pa ka. Ano ba? Ba't ang gulo nila? Baka mamatay. Sabi ko kasi, ano ang stop? Baka mamatay kami sa baho ng tae mo. Ano ba mga rats kayo? Pwede ba? For once, stay still. Hindi mahirap.
Wow, for once.
Hindi mahirap.
Oh my gosh, my
Malaki.
camera.
Oh, goodness.
Oh my gosh, my camera.
Diyos ko, te. Oh, kayo na bahala. Tinatamad mo. Tinatamad na ako. Ginawa sa'yo ng rat, te. Iniitas ako, te. All clear. Not a single trace of what is left. Oh my
This ugly guy again.
Siguro nga pumapatay yung tao para manambunot ng mga mata kasi wala siyang mata. Malaki na. Ano ba yun, Nadine? Pati ba naman yan? Diyos ko naman, manyak ka, te. Diyos ko. Ayoko sa'yo. Nakababae tao. Lalaki, ano mo, te. Mama mo. Find a wrench to help the customer fix their car. Found it.
You're so bald, it's so like.
Come with me, quick. Bakit mo kami pinapakam? Sino ka ba?
Bye.
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 That's so fine. Fine. Diyos ko, sinasabi ko sa inyo.
Oh my gosh, why am I so tall?
Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Pakiramdam ako sa lalaking to.
He has a guys, he has a knife.
Oh my God. You will be my next babe. Hindi ako, sila. Bakit ako?
Get Squidward! Go get Squidward!
Wow! Hindi nyo ang squiddy rowdy.
Get Squidward!
Hindi ka nakakatawa. Time left. Okay. Hahabulin mo ako. Nabubu. Di mo ko makatch-catch.
Paano ko siya i-stun? Wala naman ako pang ano.
Oh, napatay ka agad.
Oh my God!
Napatay ka agad. Hina mo. Anak mo, bakit mo ko hindi mo ako makatch. Oh, si Maui. Si Maui pa siyang parang siyang bata na nagdadabog sa kalsada. Oh my God, napapatay na talaga ako. Sorry, I'm joking. Sorry. Joke na joke. Si Nadine. Okay, I'm spectating Nadine.
Stop, fat! Fatty!
Sabulin mo yan! Yung sabulin mo yan!
Oh my gosh, nalipad siya!